Get it like a thing of gum.
Just try to like spread out across the back on that list part, right?
Wait, I thought we were playing the thing with the...
Well, yeah, but I mean, they're delivering the
Wait,
bomb.
they gotta get to us?
The box is the bomb.
I'm trying to get in.
So they have to deliver it here as long as we can, stop them somewhere before them.
Yeah, Mason, watch out when you run out. I'm not sure exactly where they're starting. They're probably starting at the opposite door.
Yeah.
They're probably starting outside the other side.
Hopefully they won't shoot the cameraman.
Oh, I don't think they will. Just, wave your hand before you go around the corner.
Yeah, like this.
I've shot a vest that walked around.
Yeah, there's an older video of it. He gets lit up as a cameraman.
Yep.
Hey, look at that BB. It's stuck on the spider web. Alright, ready? Alright, one,
Go!
Don't hit the camera! Go down, old girl. Where they go? Don't hit the cameraman. One man's down. Don't hit the camera. Right now we're in the middle of a war. And I've lost fuel. Oh, wait. No. Oh. And there goes one of them. And there goes Daniel. There they go back into the war zone.
Back right, spawn box! Back right, going low!
Another man dead. Where did he go?
Did you get shot too?
Yeah, I got shot right here.
Shut
up. Yeah. Damn. This is a hard round. Don't shoot the cameraman. Cameraman walking around the corners. Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Nice one, Will you go up there? Cameraman, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't. I want to get shot.
Right side! Right side, they're coming in, they're coming in! Alright, I got you.
Cameraman, don't shoot the cameraman.
Oh.
Oh, that hurt. Oh. I messed up the video a bit because I got shot in the arm.
Walk around the field and get some more
Yeah, I
stuff.
got 6 minutes.
Oh, they do it later. He's right there. Go follow.
Right side, left side.
Your man walking dog. This is the most I've gotten shot. Cameraman walking, don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. Don't like getting shot at. I want to walk up, but don't walk up.
There's the buddy with the laser.
Looks like guys, you have 5 minutes left.
Whoa. Scared me. Someone take a shot? Oh. Cameraman. This is not very fun. I ain't done walking out there now. Supposed to say safety when you're that close, Nico.
Yeah.
Cameraman, don't shoot, don't shoot. Again, no one doesn't shoot me. Listen to me, man.
Alright, got him. Freaking gobble. Hey, Paul. Hey, y'all in the tower, watch that side.
Oh,
One of y'all look through the hole.
that's not the line. I can't breathe anymore.
I'm a match.
Uh-oh. Cameraman, don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Last fight on left.
That scared me. You're gonna scare the whole
Y'all keep left side covered.
yet?
No, he went over here. Flashlight, dude. We got one in the tower keeping left side covered.
Alright.
Already got one. One's going left, one's going left.
Yeah, it's only went across the back. We still got flashlight guy over there, though.
No, I got the dude back there.
I don't like that flashlight guy. He's scared of me.
I got flashlight, dude. He was next to the other dude. You saw that, right?
Yeah.
So I got him right there.
We got this guy coming from the left, though. That's gonna be our main priority right now.
Cameraman. Oh, look, I hit.
1 minute left.
Oh, it's scaring me.
Remaining.
Cameraman, don't shoot the cameraman. Please don't. Cameraman does not like being shot at. I'm not walking over there. I ain't getting shot. Even the cameraman is scared. Don't shoot the...
Yes, look at him. This is Staff Force 141 at Georgia in the Tropical Airsoft. And we're about to do deathmatch.
And that's Mac right there.
Task Force 142, baby. Go.
There's Mac crawling into the bunker. There's Daniel over there. Mac is now out. That landing, guys. Go see what Mac is doing. Mac Huipalo. Oh, there's Daniel. Never mind. Hey Daniel, where are the enemies?
Hey, wind your mag. Wind your mag. The gun ain't throwing BBs. Wind your mag. Got him.
1 kill so far.
Woo! Oh, my gun's shooting.
Remember, guys, you only get 3 lives. You get 3 lives.
Oh, there is Mac. Let's go. Follow Mac.
Watch out.
fuck? Hey, you can go now. Three life team deathmatch.
Oh, this is team deathmatch?
Say hi to Daniel.
Hi.
Okay, this is Raider.
Whose phone is that?
Daniel's phone. Dude, I got shot in the finger.
Oh man, that was painful.
Hey, there's Daniel right there. Hey, Daniel.
Semi only, guys. Semi only. Check
You
your
may need to
rifle.
wind up your mags. Did you wind up your mag?
Yeah.
Hey, Daniel. I'm gonna film this enemy. Shoot him, but don't shoot me. This is enemy territory, guys. I got shot in the finger.
I see you did, man.
Friggin' hurt.
Surprise.
I got a little piece.
Okay, hold this camera.
What's your radio?
Battery's dead. There you go.
Do I take out the mag and just go out there?
Yeah. I put on your barrel
Yeah.
clock. Huh?
Are you filming?
I'm filming. I got shot in the finger.
Oh.
Anyways, like I was saying, enemy territory. This is their respawn box. Now let's go find Daniel. what we're gonna do is go over here so I don't get shot in the fucking finger again. Yeah, there's Daniel. You may not be able to see him because it's so damn dark in here. Are you out of ammo?
No. My gun's messed up.
Okay, do you want me to stop filming?
Oh shit.